Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning Therapy. Hope all are doing safe at home. Here let's discuss how to improve tripod grip, that is finger grip activity for a child which typically develops at the age of 3 to 4. So this is very important for a child to learn holding and also start writing correctly. So before we give some objects like crayons or pencils, child mentally and physically is ready to hold the object throughout their developing stage. Their muscles around the tiny fingers become strong by giving them a lot of fine motor activities, or also we can also call it as a finger activity. Here we see few simple exercise or easy home based exercise we can also give a child to do in a play by method, which inherently improve their fine motor skill, develops their eye hand coordination, and also their language and also concentration, and their muscles around the tiny finger grow strong by using these activity to hold the object precisely. So before getting into an activity, let me explain you how gradually a child improvise their holding. Initially, they hold the fisted grip like a dagger and scribble. The moment comes the whole arm. So this happens during their 1 to 2 years. Here you can see my niece. She's using her whole arm to move the crayons up and down. Then comes a digital pronate grip. It looks same like a fisted, but here the movement comes from the elbow. They also start copying horizontal, vertical and circular lines like stroke. So next is four finger grip, mostly comes from wrist. This occurs around 3 to 4 years. The next one is most importantly static tripod grip. This occurs when they are in kindergarten, like 4 to 6 years. This is a three finger grip where the thumb finger, index finger and also middle finger work as one unit. The last is dynamic tripod grip. This comes around when they are in 6 to 7 years. They use only three fingers to hold the writing tool. This is ideal grip to help move pencil efficiently and also accurately. So friends, I believe by now you understood the different types of grips. And if you think your child feels difficult to hold a pencil or while writing, please do these activity. These activity might seem very simple for an elders, but to make a child to do this, it's not that easy. So let's get into the activities. This is the first activity, roll and press activity. Here you can see they are using their two fingers to roll and press, again roll and make the beautiful flowers. So while doing this activity, you can introduce language like roll, press, again roll, flowers, colors of flowers, or clay, the soft texture of clay. So by doing this activity, they will improvise their language also. The next activity is tearing and crushing. So they give the paper to tear them, and they have to crush with the help of two fingers and stick them. The next activity is open and close with the help of cloth peg. Here they are sorting out with the colors. Actually they found very difficult when I gave them this cloth bag, which is a harder one. So these makes their tiny muscles around their fingers stronger. So the next activity is sketch pen. They have to open the caps of these sketch pen and again close it. These are connecting sketch pen. They have to connect it back. The next activity is finger paints. Here you can see. The next activity is squeezing these water balloons. This makes their muscles relax. The next one is open and closing these bottle caps, the lid of these bottles. They find very difficult to open these bottles. I have closed them very tightly. Here you can see lively how they use their fingers very hard to open the caps of these bottles. What we do is that we always help them in opening their bottles and make them very easy. The next activity is tracing sandpaper. The next is inserting the spoon in the egg box. This looks very easy, but children who are around 1 or 2 years, they find little bit difficult to insert it inside. So that is all, friends. Hope you all like this video. If you feel this video is useful, please do share, like and comment. Thank you. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.